class 4. In the previous class we were discussing about the northern mountain, the Himalayas. Is it not? There we have seen the highest peak in the world, Mount Everest, located in the Himalayas. And then we have seen the major rivers. They are also rising from Himalayas. Other rivers flowing from the Himalayas are Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi, Satluj. Then we have seen the three parallel ranges of Himalayas. Which are they? That was your second homework. Did you not learn it? The greater Himalaya or Himadri, the middle Himalaya or Himachal, and the outer Himalayas, also called Shivaling. Did you not draw the physical map of India? And have you marked the northern mountains in it? Today we are going to read about Karakoram Mountains. Karakoram Mountains. In the northwest of the Himalayas, beyond river Indus, lays the Karakoram range. Where do the Mount Karakoram range lays? It is located in the northwest of the Himalayas, beyond of river Indus. Okay, where does Karakoram Mountains located? It is located in the northwest of the Himalayas. Northwest of Himalayas and beyond of river Indus. Mount Godwin Austen. Mount Godwin Austen. It is also known as K2, lies in this range. What is the importance of Mount Godwin Austen or K2? It is the highest peak in India and the second highest peak in the world. Okay, Mount Godwin Austen or K2 lies in the Karakoram range. It is the highest peak in India and the second highest peak in the world. Okay, next we will learn about the states of Himalayan and the Karakoram region. Himalayan states and the Karakoram region or region area. Okay, Jammu and Kashmir lies in the Himalayas and the Karakoram range. Where does Jammu Kashmir lies? It is in the Himalayas and the Karakoram range. Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Sikkim, Darjeeling in West Bengal and some part of Arunachal Pradesh are in these regions. In which region? Karakoram region. Karakoram region lays in northwest of the Himalayas and beyond of river Indus or Indus river. Okay, which are the Himalayan states? Jammu Kashmir. It lies in the Himalayas. Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Sikkim, Darjeeling in West Bengal, and some part of Arunachal Pradesh are in this region, in the Karakoram region. A brief description of each state is as follows. So, given below a brief description or a short explanation of each state which are related with Karakoram region or Himalayan state. Okay, first we are going to learn about Jammu Kashmir. Capital of Jammu Kashmir and its location, climate of Jammu Kashmir and occupations of the people who live there, languages and places to visit in Jammu Kashmir. Okay, what all the things we are going to learn in relation with Jammu Kashmir, which is the capital of Jammu Kashmir. Second, where do Jammu Kashmir located? Then what is the climate of the Jammu Kashmir? And what is the occupation of the people who live in Jammu Kashmir? And what are the languages they do speak? And which are the important places to visit in Jammu Kashmir? These are the things which we are going to read and understand in this page in relation with Jammu and Kashmir. First, capital. Srinagar is the summer capital of the state. So, Jammu and Kashmir having two capitals as a summer capital and a winter capital. Srinagar is the summer capital of this state. In winter, due to inclement weather, cold weather, the capital shift to Jammu. Jammu is the winter capital of the state, and Srinagar is the summer capital of the state. So, Jammu and Kashmir is having two capital as a summer capital and a winter capital. Srinagar is the summer capital and Jammu is the winter capital of the state. It is located in the northern Himalayan mountains and shares borders with Himachal Pradesh and Punjab. It is the location of Jammu and Kashmir. Where do Jammu and Kashmir located? It is located in the northern Himalayan mountains. And which are the border states of Jammu and Kashmir? Himachal Pradesh and Punjab are the border states of Jammu and Kashmir. Okay, this is about the capital and location of Jammu Kashmir. Next, climate and occupation of Jammu Kashmir. Climate and occupation. Occupation means work, job. Summer in this state are pleasant while winter are cold. This is the climate of Jammu and Kashmir. So how is the summer? Summer in this state are pleasant, joyous, Okay, pleasant. While winter season is cold. Winters are cold. Winter is they are having chilly or inclement weather. Winter are cold and summer are pleasant. This state has a moderate rainfall. So what about the rainfall of Jammu and Kashmir? They get a moderate rainfall. There is no moderate means medium. Okay, medium rainfall, average rainfall. People are engaged in the occupation of agriculture, embroidery and tourism service. Occupation of the people who live in Jammu Kashmir. Mainly they are occupied with agriculture, embroidery work and tourism services. What is agriculture? Farming. Okay, that is the agriculture is one of the main occupation of the people who are living in Jammu and Kashmir. Agriculture, farming. Okay, next one is embroidery work. If you see the dresses of the people of Jammu Kashmir, there you can see a lot of embroidery work are done in their dresses. It is also one of the main occupation of the people of Jammu Kashmir, people of the state, and tourism services. So it is a beautiful state, is it not? How many of you have visited Jammu Kashmir? It is one of the beautiful place in the world. Okay, if you get a opportunity, I advise you to visit Jammu and Kashmir. So tourism service is also another important occupation of the state, people of the state. Okay, then languages and places to visit. Mainly they speak Urdu, Dogri, Ladakhi and Kashmiri languages. These are the important languages of the people who live there. Which are they? Urdu, Dogri, Ladakhi and Kashmiri. These four languages do the people of Jammu Kashmir speak. It has many attractive places for tourists. Which are they? Srinagar, Leh, Rajouri, Gulmarg, Kupwara, Pahalgam, Anantnag, Patnitop are some of them. These are the major tourist attractive places of Jammu and Kashmir. Okay. See Dal Lake is one of the major tourist attractive place of the state. Dal Lake in Srinagar, as well as Patnitop is also an important tourist attractive place of the state. So which are the important languages of the people of the state, and what are the some of the important tourist attractive places of the state? Can you not say? Urdu, Dogri, Ladakhi and Kashmiri are the important languages of the people who live here, and important tourist Attractive places of the states are Srinagar, Leh, Rajouri, Gulmarg, Kupwara, Pahalgam, Patnitop, Anantnag, Patnitop, Anantnag and Patnitop. If you see the present political map of India, you can see some important changes has taken place in the political map of India in relation with Jammu and Kashmir. We already seen that Jammu and Kashmir are no more come under state, but this area is directly governed by the central government of India today. Okay, if you see this map of India, in the map of India you can see some changes has taken place here. Jammu and Kashmir, here comes Ladakh. Jammu and Kashmir also has divided into two. See, here major parts come under Ladakh region, and below that you can see Srinagar and Jammu Kashmir. So this is the major development in the political history of India. Okay, the capital of Ladakh is Leh, and Jammu Kashmir comes here. These both regions are directly governed by the central government of India, and both of this part come under Union territory today. Okay. Okay, the next state is Himachal Pradesh. See the state of Himachal Pradesh in the map of India. This is the location of the state Himachal Pradesh in the political map of India. Okay, Shimla is the capital of Himachal Pradesh. Okay, in the regarding the Himachal Pradesh, state of Himachal Pradesh, we will read and learn about capital of Himachal Pradesh and the location, climate of the state, and the occupation of the people of the state, their languages and their important festivals, and which are the important places to visit in Himachal Pradesh. These are the things which we are going to learn here. First we will learn about the capital and the location of Himachal Pradesh. As I told you, Shimla is the capital city of Himachal Pradesh. Which is the capital city of Himachal Pradesh? This state located at the foothill of Western Himalayas. Okay, that is about the location of Himachal Pradesh. Located at the foothill of Western Himalayas. It is bordered by Haryana, Punjab and Jammu Kashmir. Neighboring states of Himachal Pradesh are Haryana, Punjab and Jammu and Kashmir. See Himachal Pradesh and the neighboring states. So since Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh has separated, you can see Ladakh is also one among the neighboring part of neighbor of Himachal Pradesh. Here comes Ladakh and north west you can see Jammu and Kashmir, Punjab, and in the south side Haryana, okay. Then comes Uttarakhand, the north eastern side you can see Uttarakhand. These are the neighboring states of Himachal Pradesh. Okay, what is the climate and occupation of the people? Like Jammu and Kashmir, this state has a pleasant climate in summer. Summer season is good, okay, and cold in winter. Winter is cold and rainfall is moderate. Like Jammu and Kashmir, they have a average rainfall only. People of the state are engaged in agriculture, mainly cultivation of apple. So agriculture is the major occupation of the people in Himachal Pradesh. Okay, in agriculture mainly they cultivate apples. Okay, apple cultivation is a very important occupation of the people who live in Himachal Pradesh. Next, languages and festivals. Hindi, Pahari, Dogri, Gojri. Languages are spoken here. How many languages are there? They have Hindi, Pahari, Dogri and Gojri. There are 4 major languages people of Himachal Pradesh speak. People celebrate the festival of Dasara with great zeal. Dasara is the major festival of the people of the state. Okay, places to visit. Kulu, Manali, Shimla, Bilaspur and Dharmashala are tourist attractions of the state. Which are the tourist attractions of the state of Himalaya? Kulu, Manali, Shimla, Bilaspur and Dharmashala are the tourist attractive places of this state. Okay. Okay students, your homework is first take the correct answer. The highest peak in the world is 4 options are there. Mount Godwin Austen, B. Mount Everest, C. Kanchenjunga, D. None of these. You have to select the appropriate answer. Okay, which is the highest peak in the world and which is the highest peak of India. Don't be confused with the answer. Okay? The highest peak in the world is Mount Everest. Okay, B will be the answer. Second, embroidery and tourism features. Tourism are features of A. Assam, B. Arunachal Pradesh, C. Jammu and Kashmir, D. Uttarakhand. Which is the right option? C is the appropriate answer here. Jammu and Kashmir. Okay. C. Question number 3. The outer Himalayas are also known as. You have already done it. Okay. And yesterday you got the homework also from here. First option is Himadri. Second, Shivaling. B. C. Himachal. And D. None of these. What will be the answer? Which is the correct option here? The outer Himalayas are also known as Shivaling. Okay. B is the right option. Next, 4. Bhotia language is spoken in A. Jammu Kashmir, B. Mizoram, C. Uttarakhand, D. Meghalaya. Okay, the fourth question's answer you have to find out. Bhotia language is spoken in which state of India? Okay. So these three we have done today. The highest peak in the world is Mount Everest. Embroidery and tourism are features of which state? Jammu and Kashmir. The outer Himalaya are also known as Shivaling. Okay. This is a homework for tomorrow. In the political map of India, mark the Ladakh, Jammu and Kashmir and Himachal Pradesh with its capital. Could you understand the question? Ladakh, and you have to draw the political picture of Ladakh, or otherwise you have to mark the location of Ladakh with its capital in the political map of India, Jammu Kashmir and their capitals, Himachal Pradesh and its capital also. Okay, this is your homework. If you have any doubts or need more clarification, you can contact me in my personal WhatsApp number, and in Zoom class also you can ask. Thank you.